Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to reset sound settings on Windows 10 or Windows 11. I'll show you guys how to do it. Method 1, you just need to right click on the speaker icon and select open volume mixer and scroll down and select the reset option. Second method, you just need to go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. In services, you just need to find Windows audio service. Just right click on it and select restart. And another one service is Windows Audio Endpoint Builder service. Just right click on it and select restart. After restarting both services, just close stuff here. Method 3, you just need to right click on the speaker icon and select sound settings. Scroll down and select more sound settings. In here, you just need to select the sound tab and click on this drop down and select the Windows default option and select the play option. And now go to playback tab and you just need to right click on your speaker and select properties. Go to enhancements tab and select the restore defaults option and go to advanced tab, select the restore defaults option. Go to spatial sound tab and select restore default option. After that, select apply and OK for settings. Now go to recording tab, right click on where microphone device and select properties. Go to advanced tab and select restore defaults option and select apply and OK for changes. And now click on OK. And that's how you can reset sound settings on Windows 10 or Windows 11. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.